Hey dear! My Cats token I got what you got gave very good profit. Hey guys! Today's video is all about the Cats Airdrop. But before we dive into that, I've got something exciting for you. I'm your friend, Crypto Pearl, and I brought an exclusive giveaway just for you. You don't have to do much to participate, simply like this video. Subscribe to the channel. Comment below telling me why you want dollars. Once this video hits 1,000 likes, I'll randomly pick someone from the comments to win at least $100. Now, let's jump right into the listing date of the Cats Airdrop. The Cats token airdrop is gearing up for its big listing on major exchanges like Bybit, Bybit, Gate, and KuCoin, with the official launch scheduled for October 8, 2024, at 10 o'clock Universal Time Coordinated. Following this, the on-chain claim will open 2 days later, allowing users to claim their airdrop tokens. Pre-market analysis. The pre-market price of Cats is currently set at $0.0004, reflecting a cautious yet optimistic outlook ahead of the listing. With 55% of the tokens allocated to the airdrop, we could see a notable initial price surge driven by speculative buying. This surge may be fueled by community enthusiasm and promotional efforts surrounding the launch. Let's talk about Cats Airdrop price prediction. With a pre-market price starting at $0.0004, Cats is poised for an initial spike following its listing on multiple exchanges. Investor enthusiasm from the airdrop and strategic partnerships are likely to drive demand. If this demand surpasses selling pressure, we could see the price increase to between $0.0006 and $0.0008 by the end of October. However, the significant allocation for the airdrop might result in a temporary price dip as recipients sell off their tokens. Stay tuned to the Crypto Pearl channel for more updates and tasks related to the token launch. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below with your thoughts on the Cats Airdrop. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.